In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about using Notion on an iPad, a versatile, all-in-one digital workspace. Whether you're taking notes, managing projects, or collaborating with others, Notion provides a rich environment that's nearly as powerful on the iPad as it is on desktop. Let's dive into its core functionality and some iPad-specific considerations. Starting with notes and documents, Notion allows you to create rich documents with over 50 different content types, from images and to-do lists to toggles for extra flexibility. Whether you're jotting down notes for a class or crafting detailed project plans, these features will help you build out your ideas seamlessly. Next up, task and project management keeps you organized with several views like table, board, calendar, timeline, and gallery. You can track progress using custom status tags and priority labels, adapting these tools to fit your precise workflow, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Databases are a powerful tool in Notion, offering custom options to capture and organize information. You could be setting up a study guide or managing client information, and these databases ensure that all your details are precisely where you need them to be. Collaboration is key in Notion. You can share pages, add comments, mention colleagues, and even work in real time with others. This makes it an excellent choice for team projects or any collaborative work environment. Notion's organization and knowledge base features help centralize all your information. You can build a personal wiki or even a company-wide knowledge hub, with powerful search and filtering capabilities allowing you to find any piece of information quickly. Now let's look at what makes using Notion on an iPad unique. The mobile app interface is optimized for a clean, easy-to-navigate experience. You have a sidebar for your navigation that you can hide whenever you want a cleaner workspace. Plus, with offline access, you can view, edit, and create pages without an internet connection. They'll sync automatically once you're back online. For paid plans, your recent and favorited pages even download automatically. Seamless synchronization across all platforms means you can switch between your iPad, desktop, or web app without skipping a beat. For those of you who use an Apple Pencil, you can use it for basic navigation and text input using Scribble. Although Notion doesn't currently support direct drawings, you can create drawings in other apps, like Apple Notes or GoodNotes, and embed them as images or PDFs into your Notion workspace. You can also connect Notion with other tools such as Slack, GitHub, and Figma to streamline workflows. And with a business or enterprise plan, you'll have access to Notion's AI capabilities on the iPad app. Get writing assistance, use the Q&A feature to ask questions about your workspace content, or automate data analysis to keep things running smoothly. Despite a few UI limitations compared to the desktop version, particularly in complex layout designs, Notion on the iPad offers robust functionality to manage your life and work on the go. To get started, simply download the app from the Apple App Store and dive into a more organized and efficient way of working.